Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Francisca Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and today I'm joined by Taylor Viands, a showroom consultant with Ferguson Enterprises. We're here to talk about the exciting appliance trends we've seen in 2024. Taylor, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me, Francisca. 2024 has been an amazing year for appliances, with homeowners really embracing new features and technologies. I'm excited to share what's trending.
I can't wait to hear all about it. So Taylor, what have been the defining trends in residential appliances this year?
Francisca, that's a great question. It's actually the built-in columns for refrigeration. People are willing to give up their cabinet space to make more room for these sleek, high-capacity units in their kitchen space. It is so much more than an area to cook in these days. It's now a main area for entertainment.
Kitchens have truly evolved into multifunctional spaces, and that informs all of our designs. The kitchen has to be an office, a family room, a home workstation, and well, a kitchen. It's great to see appliances keeping up with that demand. What about smart technology? Have you seen any standout features?
Oh, definitely. Smart appliances are more popular than ever. Some of the coolest innovations include ovens that guide you through recipes with visuals, so you can actually see how your food should look at each stage of cooking. They can show you what rare versus medium rare looks like. Additionally, air fryers are now being integrated into ovens, so it gets rid of that typical counter appliance that you would have.
What a great solution for a clutter-free countertop. Plus, I love the idea of integrating smart technology to simplify cooking. Moving on to our next question, what's been the most popular appliance among homeowners this year?
So it's definitely going to be the Monogram 5-in-1 oven. It's so versatile, acting as a convection oven, a microwave, a toaster oven, a precision cook, and even a warming drawer.
That's a great option for maximizing space without sacrificing functionality. What about energy efficiency? Have any appliances stood out in that regard?
That's a great question. We're actually going to pivot to the laundry then, because the LG washer and dryer really stand out. They're energy certified, which means they're more efficient and have larger capacities, so it's fewer loads that you have to do.
That sounds great. Energy efficiency is always top of mind for us and our clients. Do you have any advice for homeowners on how to keep their appliances running smoothly?
Yes, always register your appliances for warranty coverage, especially the ones with water and ice. And for extra peace of mind, I recommend getting extended warranties for these types of appliances just to have that additional safety net. With that said, if you have Ferguson handle the installation, we're also ensuring everything is set up properly, which helps prevent issues down the road. Plus, if you ever have an issue, you can trust that Ferguson will make it right.
Now I have to ask, what's your personal favorite appliance trend this year?
That's a great question. It will have to be the hearth oven. It looks almost like a pizza oven, but it's so much more than that. You can cook pasta, you can cook fish, fillets. The possibilities are endless. It really brings the kitchen together. And then there are the tall wine columns with the exposed glass. Not only do they add a touch of elegance to the space, but they also set the mood with customizable color hues. It creates such a welcoming, inviting atmosphere, perfect for entertaining or simply just relaxing at the end of the day.
That sounds incredible. I love how both of those appliances really elevate the kitchen into a central gathering space for cooking and entertaining. It's always exciting to see how appliances can add both style and functionality to a space. Taylor, thank you so much for sharing these incredible trends with us. If someone watching wants to get in touch with you, what's the best way to do that?
My phone is always open. You could call me at 703-375-5870. If I am with a customer though, please leave a detailed message because I would love to get back to you. Or if easier, you can email me at taylor.viands@ferguson.com. And I look forward to working with you.
If you're interested in designing your custom home, contact us at AV Architects Plus Builders. You can reach us by phone at 703-865-5065 or through our website at avarchitectsbuild.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. See you next time.
You're so good at that.
I just want to make you laugh.
Yeah, that was good.